You're watching a Runner Films presentation. The following is rated PG-13, may contain some minor foul language, violence, and others that are unsettling.
Oh my motherfucking god. You opinion basher. How dare you bash my opinions on everything I love? That is it. Today is the day you go to hell.
But, all I did was say that you—
Shut up, you stupid spoiled brat. Now prepare for punishment day.
FBI, open up!
Jesus Christ. That was so loud.
There you are, Jimart. I've been looking for you. Drop the weapon now!
Oh yeah, not if I have anything to do about it.
Hold on. My gun is not working.
Fool! I jammed your gun!
Uh-oh.
Hands behind your back, criminal. You're under arrest.
What did I do?
You've been doing countless criminal activities like robbery, manslaughter, etc.
Now wait a second. You cannot arrest me. Runner should be the one getting arrested. He bashes my opinions on everything and... Hold on. You're not the Gotchaville police. Who are you?
I'm Joe Swanson, one of the members from the Quahog Police Department from Family Guy. And you, trying to kill me? What the hell is wrong with you? You are so delusional. And attempted first-degree murder on Kid Ronette? Oh my god, you are so mindless. You're in very hot water with everyone right now. Get in the police chopper.
And so, Jimart got arrested by Joe Swanson. He has committed many crimes, like child abuse, manslaughter, robbery, attempted first-degree murder, and many other crimes. Bikers Max and Maxette have came to pick Runner up, and transform him into a biker, because it is not safe being forever normal. Here is the footage, before we close part 1.
Wait, it looks like someone is trying to call me. I wonder if they are checking in on me to see if I am alright. Hello? To whom am I speaking? Yeah. Jimart tried to kill me. Hey, maybe I should. I will head over to the court as fast as I go. I will be there, Abe. I will be there.